Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2025 Honda XR150 Dual Sport. Only 400 miles on this showroom condition, lightweight dual sport. We just did the first maintenance on it with a valve check. Come on by and make your lightweight dual sport dreams come true. Only $29.99 for this gorgeous Honda. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.